Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Local. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts, Custom, and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenthelocal.com. Today we are making DIY stickers using the Cricut. Basically, we are going to start off with the circles. I'm going to use the monthly, and I'm going to start off with the word sunny. The reason why I'm using that sunny day is because I love the color palette and I did not write the numbers down. So that's just a tip so that if you want to use the numbers, you can. Anyway, so basically I'm just going to use it as a reference, and I'm just going to pick out some um, last day stickers and school day stickers, which I thought we had more school days, but we didn't. But that's another whatchamacallit. I'm also going to be using some summer vacation. I'm going to either go into categories or images and uh, typing out the words that I need. So again, as I said, I'm going to be using that sunny day as a palette so that everything can match in my classic planner, which is a classic happy planner, which I'm going to be using today. And I'm changing the screen so that you guys can see, because once you get really small, you can't see that. So now I'm just duplicating the circles, and I like to work from large to small. I'm just arranging that to front, and then I'm going to center it, right clicking it, and I'm going to center it. Once that's all chosen, flatten, and I'm going to use that as my monthly sticker, which I normally use my monthly stickers, little small ones. What is that, the size 0.5 by 0.4. I have a slow down version of this that I will link in the description and in this video down below. So I'm just going to keep doing that to all of these circles. And so I'm just going to change the colors. Again, you're just going to click the little color icon. You're going to arrange to front, and then you're going to align center. Once it's all clicked, right click it, you're going to flatten, and then you're going to size it. Or you can size it first and then unflatten. Either which way, it's your preference. So as you can see, I'm going to be making these little sunny day stickers, and I kind of invert the colors a little because I wanted something different. So again, the sizing is 0.5 by 0.4, or you can make it by 0.5 by 5, basically 0.5 by 0.5. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to be making some classic flags, uh, some flags, and I'm just going to take this little image, and it's a creator image. I'm just basically showing you the different ones that you can use. So basically, I'm going to hide everything, and I'm going to hide contour on that. I'm going to use the square as a reference so that I could make sure that the sizing is right. And I'm also going to be making some decorative stickers with that square, and that square is sized at 1.51 by 2.41. And so basically I'm just aligning center, aligning horizontally, I think it was, and or vertically. Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. Um, so I forgot. I needed another one. So anyways, I'm gonna duplicate that a couple of times. Again, just hide contour. And again, I'm using the sunny day as a palette, and I'm going to take some circles. I'm going to make, for what I've seen for a classic planner for the flag stickers or checklist, is about 6 to 7. So I'm going to make 6, and I'm going to line them up, and I'm going to center them top and then bring them down a little bit. And then I'm going to flatten, and then I'm going to size it to fit into that little box. So once you know the size of the little box, you can make the flags, you can make the, what is that, decorative stickers. So that's pretty cool. And again, I'm just, like I said, lining them up, aligning to the top, and then bringing them down a little bit, trying to eyeballing it. I think for this part, I think I probably should have made the flags just a tiny bit, what is that, narrower, because I feel like I don't have enough room So basically, I just changed that square to weight, and now I'm gonna um, size everything, properly, and I'm going to align center. And now I'm just gonna be looking for a couple of images that I want to use for the rest of my planner for the rest of August. And so I find some really cute ones, and yeah, that life in flip-flops. So basically, again, I just changed it to the color to match the sunny days. And oops, I forgot. I used the last sunny days. I forgot to duplicate that, which is on the right hand side on the top. So I'm going to, once again, to use that as a palette, and I'm going to change that little the little hands and to match everything. And as a summer vacation, I'm going to make a couple of times. I'm going to use different colors, and again, I'm going to duplicate the sunny day and turn that into different colors so that everything, I don't know, I just wanted a cohesive look to my planner. And again, I'm going to size everything big, and then going to align, bring to front, align center, and I'm going to um, make the size. I was thinking, oh, should I change the color? But I said no. Again, the square is 0. No, sorry, 1.51 by 2.41 is for the classic planner. You can also make like little like a checklist box or whatever the case may be, or you can do it. I've done a video where I've made an ombre look for it. So again, that's basically all I'm doing. I'm centering it, making sure it fits right. So I'm going to have some pictures at the end of this video. And thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecrafte.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.